Hi and welcome to a presentation of the Android app Invoice CRM. Invoice CRM is basically an invoice creator. You can create invoices and store them as PDF files on your SD card, but you can also keep track of your customers, sales and products. Let's go ahead and start Invoice CRM. This is the main screen. First thing you need to do is go to Settings, fill in all the basic information like your company info and tax type, currency and so on. Once you're done, hit the back button and now you're ready to create your first invoice. Let's go ahead and click the new invoice. First thing, you need to select a customer. I've already added a couple of customers here. Let's create a new customer. Let's say Samsung. Obviously you need to add the address, but I'm not going to do that right now. Let's hit the OK button. Now we can add some payments. Let's start by adding something from our inventory. Let's add products. Let's say they want a shovel and a hammer. Hit the OK button and the payments are added right here. You can remove the payments by hitting the X button. You can also change the quantity. Let's say they wanted 3 shovels. You can also add custom payments, which basically mean you create a new payment that isn't in your product's inventory. Let's go ahead and click that one. Let's say shipping costs. I want the total price to be let's say $9.99 including value added tax. The value added tax here in Finland is 24%, and by hitting these check buttons the tax is already included in the price $9.99. Okay, you can see shipping costs is added. Now we're pretty much done. Let's go ahead at the bottom and hit the save button. The invoice has been stored on your SD card. Let's go ahead and close Invoice CRM and open up our PDF viewer. Let's open up the file. You can see the invoices are stored on your SD card in the folder Invoice CRM. Here is our invoice. Let's go ahead and open it, and we'll see a very basic and stylish invoice. Okay, let's go back to the Invoice CRM app. Now that we've created our first invoice, let's go to sales and see what's happened there. Here you'll see a monthly list of all your invoices, and the first number is the invoice ID and the second one is of course the customer name. This one is the last one. Here is the invoice we just created, and you can see at the right that there is a green sort of check thing, and 3 of those are already green. This means that these have been paid already. So let's say I've just checked out my bank account and Samsung has made this payment. Let's click on the Samsung item. Here you can see the invoice ID and the customer name, and here the total amount. And if they paid it, then we just hit the toggle button right here, and it's now marked as paid. Let's go back and we'll see that the green one has appeared. So this is just a simple way of keeping track of which invoices have been paid. Let's go back. Next thing here is our customers. You remember we added a new customer, Samsung, which is right here. It's been automatically saved. You can edit the item here, of course add an address, maybe phone or email if you want to keep track of that. You can also delete the item right here. Let's go back, and the last thing on the list is products. Nothing special here, just add products you sell a lot of, so you can easily add them to the invoices without creating them each time. Okay, that's pretty much it. Invoice CRM comes as a paid app but also as a free app. and they have exactly the same features, but the free app of course has ads in them. I suggest you try out the free version first and see if it suits your needs, and then maybe later, if you like the app, you buy the paid version, which is going to be very cheap, around 1 or 2 euros depending on which currency you have. Okay, thanks for watching, hope you enjoy it.